Well, hello YouTubers. Today we're here. I thought I seen something right there. Today it's a nice little day out there. Nice little day out there. Before we get into this, let's get into it. This is today. Here's my cat. Here's my cat. Here's my cat. Here's my cat. Yep. I know. Here's my cat. He's a little cat. Look at this cat. She's my cat. Her name is Olivia. Leave it in the comments below if you like Olivia. And make sure to do some comments, because I ain't got some comments and I love comments. So, leave in the comments below if you like Olivia. Now. Oh, anyways, leave it in the comments. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's another day, exciting day with Olivia. We're going to do stuff with Olivia. Tomorrow, next video, we're going to do stuff with Olivia. Goodbye. We're going to do the next thing next week. Goodbye.